All right, guys, I'm going to make this video very short and sweet because I'm about to go out on a date. But I wanted to get you guys the Sunday news events and other important information you need to know for the week. First of all, I'm just showing you guys, and I think I'm going to do this more often, is just show you guys the annual report. Okay, so as the months are going by, weeks are going by, you'll see these numbers for what they are. For the total of 2024, as opposed to going week after week after week after week. That's too much detail. All right. I like keeping things simple. So far, as of 2024, since January 1st, 2024, in our signal service, and the signals which are sent out to you guys, Dr. Elvis is 45 wins and 0 losses. 45 and 0. Okay, 45 and 0. And Miss Jenny in her sessions, she is in her live sessions where they trade the indices quite often. They do trade other pairs, but the indices primarily. They've earned 23,153 pips for the year so far, and this is on the 6th week of 2024. And then in the copycat service, which many of you guys are now enjoying, combined with all three of us trading together, we are 87 wins and only 10 losses. So basically that's 97 trades, basically 100 trades, and almost 90 of them has won. So that puts us at a 90% win rate. Do you get it? Okay. Because we do have actually 3 or 4 trades that are still out. So, and one of them is in profit. So technically this will make this 88 and 10. So that'd be 2 trades short of 100. Which we do have open. They just haven't closed yet until next week. So we are over 100 trades for the 2024 in our first 6 weeks. And so basically we're at a 90% win rate. Okay, we're at a 90% win rate there. They're doing phenomenal there. And there's 0 losses in the signal service. So if you want to join that, and then I'll get to the news. So if you want to join either the signal service, just click right here. And this will take you to be able to sign up for the signals where you get sent alerts, and that's right here. Just click right there to join that, and that will include both of these services, which are the signals results and Miss Jenny's live sessions twice a week. Okay, where you can join in live and trade with her. But if you want the copycat service where you just want us to trade for you, then click on this tab and it'll take you to our beautiful website and you can sign up for it. And if you want to see how it works, just play this right here. You'll see me take trades right here and pretend this is your account, and you'll see I'll take a trade on my account and it just mirrors it on yours. Okay, that's as simple as it is. So once you set it up, it's literally a set it and forgive it service. You don't have to do anything. We'll take care of it. All right, now let's get to the news for the week. Okay, so hopefully this format will work for some of you guys to keep it very clean and simple. If so, just email me at superezforex@gmail.com or just leave a comment below and say, yes, I like it. Okay. I like to keep things simple. Now, let's get to the news that's coming up for the week. Now, this is going to be a little bit more noisier week than last week was, even though there was some big moves in the market. But, you know, that's typically to happen. But either way it goes, this week has a little bit more noise. So as we go through this, just keep that in mind. You can screenshot this just to make sure you have this on your schedule right before you take trades, just to know, just to avoid getting caught in news events, okay? Right before taking the trade right before a news event happens. So Westpac confidence, this is basically how well the people feel about what's going on with their money. Okay, how confident are you with your money in these government run situations, right? So that comes out. Now, I don't think this is earth shaking or anything else, but it could cause a little spike on the AUD, and that's going to be Monday at 6:30. Then you have NZD coming out with inflation rates. Be very careful of inflation rates. See, it's under my list over here, inflation rates. So you got a lot of those coming this week. NZD is coming out on Monday at about 9 p.m., which it will possibly affect the AUD as well. These two tend to go hand in hand unless you're trading the AUD versus the NZD. Then sometimes it's different. But either way it goes, just be cautious on Monday about trading these two. Okay, just be very cautious. Then on Tuesday, you have the pound, the Great British Pound, coming out with the employment numbers, unemployment at 2 a.m. on Tuesday. You have the Swiss. This is the sneaky pair. Swiss is coming out with their inflation numbers on Tuesday at 2:30. Okay, USD is coming out, or the dollar is coming out with their inflation numbers on Tuesday at 8:30. Then you have the pound coming out with their inflation numbers on Wednesday at 2 a.m. You have the euro coming out with employment change on Wednesday at 5 a.m. And then you have the AUD coming right back with their employment numbers, which I don't believe is going to be earth-shaking. Employment numbers is not on my list because typically it's not earth-shaking, but sometimes For you guys who like to scalp and or trade real quick, this is why this is important for you, because it could do a quick spike. Now, for us swing traders, pretty much you don't have to worry about that stuff. I mean, some of these, they may blip, but then it'll resume exact back where it's supposed to be. By the way, I'm going to do an important video for you guys called Drawdown, so make sure, absolutely certain you watch that video. It's going to be critically important for your success. You're going to see exactly what's separating you from the successful traders, okay? All right, last but not least, you have the USD coming out with their unemployment rate on Thursday, and that wraps it up. So truth be told, the inflation numbers, and I'll mark these up in yellow so we can kind of keep an eye on these. These are the ones that would be of concern the most to me coming up this week, is the inflation numbers. Unemployment rates, yes, it could cause a little bit of a little spiking in the markets, but I don't think it's nothing that if you're in a trade that is going to be earth shattering to worry about, unless you're a person, like I said, if you're a scalper trying to get in and out and you're trying to have these tight stop losses of 5, 10, maybe 20 pips and keeping it real tight, then you need to be concerned. But for all our people who are swing traders who use nice, comfortable stop losses, me personally, I wouldn't worry about it. Okay. All right. So that's a wrap, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you keep checking me out, because again, I'm going to do that drawdown video. Okay. The drawdown video, that's going to help a lot of you guys with your trading. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.